Hello, this is Dr. Kilgore with another math learning video. Our learning goal tonight is I can compare whole numbers. Our guiding question is how can I compare and order whole numbers? For this lesson, we do not have any new vocabulary, but we do have some strategies for comparing and ordering whole number success. So make sure that your notes are out and you are copying these down. First, you need to write the numbers so that they're lined up based on their place value. Compare them from left to right to identify larger and smaller numbers, and then write the sign or order the numbers based on what you are asked to do. Okay, so let's look at a couple of numbers that some of our common problems are normally written like this. We have 9,445,000, and oftentimes they'll give you a circle in the middle where you're supposed to put one of those comparing signs to 10 million. So the first thing I'm going to tell you to do is line them up. When you line these numbers up based on where the decimal would be, we see that 10 million has one place, a 1 in the 10 million spot, and 9 million has 0. 1 is greater than 0, so 10 million is greater than 9,445,000. Let's look at another couple examples here. Okay, let me start this one over. 496,256 compared to 496,155. So we line them up. Let's see what I did to this number up here. This number has too many digits. Let's try that. That looks like a more realistic number. Now when we compare, we start comparing from the left to the right. Same, same, same. 2 is greater than 1. So therefore, 496,256 is greater than 496,155. While we are comparing and ordering, sometimes you get lists of multiple numbers and are asked to order them from the least to greatest or greatest to least. So in this case, we're going to go greatest to least. We have 65,081,127. We have 7,128. And we have 9,910,001. So the first thing we do is line them up. Get the right number here. 65,000 or 1,081,127. 7,128. 9,910,001. So start from the left, go to the right. We're going greatest to least, so we're looking for the biggest number first. 6 compared to nothing and nothing would make this our first number. We go over a 7 compared to a 9. 9 is larger. 7 would be our third in the series. I like to put the numbers out here so that I can remember what order I'm going to write these numbers in for my answer. So to finish my answer, I just sequence the series by their value. And finish it up. Going from greatest to least, here would be our series of numbers. Okay, so let's do one more practice problem. Another one that I often see is write 3 numbers that are greater than 154,000 but less than 155,000. So to write a number that is greater than 154,000 but less than 155,000 is all you have to do is use your place value. As long as your places down here are 999 or less, you have to start with 154,000. You could go 999. It is still more than our first number, but less than our second number. So I hoped that this video has helped you remember how to order and compare whole numbers. Remember the keys for success of starting by lining those numbers up based on place value and then comparing from the left to the right.